Now, another concept here is shorthand notation. Few of you must have studied it in class 11. It says that a truth table, a full truth table can be represented by a shorthand notation. Uh, if you remember, we must have studied cardinal numbers, or what are also known as the designation. Now, if you see here in the truth table, uh, this represents cardinal number 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how to if you see, uh, this is cardinal number 1, 2, 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. So this whole truth table can be written somewhat like function a, b, c. A, B, C are the variables which we have used, is equal to summation 1, 2, 3, 5. So that is summation 1, 2, 3, 5. This represents the whole truth table. So there is no need to make the full truth table. We can straight away write it says the variables are ABC and 1, 2, 3, 5 are the cardinal numbers on which, because it says it is summation. So summation means on these cardinal numbers or on these designations the output is 1. That means on rest of the cardinal numbers the output is 0. Now the same way of writing, another way of writing the same truth table is pi. Pi means the zeros, that is 0, 4, 6, 7. That means on these designations the output is 0. That means on the rest of them the output is 1. So in another way we can see that summation 1, 2, 3, 5 is actually equal to pi 0, 4, 6, 7. So this is one way of another way of writing truth table in shorthand notation. Now, one question which comes in the compulsory parts generally, that is to convert a SOP to canonical SOP. These all things are basically leading to Karnaugh map. So before coming on to the Karnaugh map, I want to discuss these small topics with you. So how to convert SOP to canonical SOP? Let's say we have a SOP, a simple sum of products expression as A naught B plus BC plus A C naught AC naught. Now, if you have to convert this to canonical SOP, so what's the procedure is? See, if you see here, this Boolean expression consists of three variables. They are A, B, and C. Now, if you see these three terms, none of them is a min term, and to get a canonical SOP, we need all these three terms to be min terms. So how to write the min terms? We need to convert each of these terms to min terms. So what's the first thing? For each of the missing variables, like here if you see C is missing, so for each of the missing variables you multiply it by 1. So that is dot 1 plus BC into 1, yeah, BC dot 1, because here A is missing. Here again B is missing, so we write A C naught dot 1. Now next step, if you remember complementarity law, it says A plus A naught is equal to 1. So for each of the ones, replace this 1 by the missing variable applying complementarity law. So for 1 we will be writing C plus C naught plus BC into A plus A naught plus AC naught into B plus B naught. So this is how our expression will look now. Now open the brackets. So this is A naught BC plus A naught B C naught plus ABC plus A naught BC plus A B C naught plus A B naught C naught. Now one important thing here is, if you open this bracket, some of you might have written BCA plus BCA naught. Now there is absolutely no difference between BCA and ABC, but just that try to write it in the correct alphabetical order. Not that BCA would be wrong, but when you will be cancelling the terms, like I will just give you an example, A naught BC and C B A naught. If you look, these two terms are actually equal, but when you are writing 7 or 8 minterms here, you will not be able to recognize that these two terms are actually equal. So it's better to write in the same alphabetical order. It is far easy to see that A naught BC and A naught BC are equal rather than A naught BC and CB A naught. So now you find out the duplicate terms here. See, this is A naught BC, this is A naught BC. So we can remove one of the terms because it's if you see, one of the rules states that A plus A is A. So we can say that A naught BC plus A naught BC is equal to A naught BC. So we can remove one of the terms. This is ABC, A naught BC. None of the other terms are being repeated. So now we can write the final expression A naught BC plus A naught BC naught plus ABC plus ABC naught plus A B naught C naught. So this is the final canonical sum of products for this particular expression. Now same way a question may come as to convert POS to canonical POS. Now how to convert POS to canonical POS? Let's say an expression is A plus B dot B plus C naught dot C. So here we write A plus B plus, now for canonical SOP, for converting a product to a minterm, what we did, we multiplied it by 1 for each of the missing variable. Here what we will be doing, we will be just applying the opposite law of that. So we will be adding plus 0 because here C is missing, here A is missing, so B plus C naught plus 0. And if you say here it is only C, so two variables are missing, A and B. So for each of the variables we will be writing plus 0. So this, let's say this is for A, this is for B. Now apply the opposite complementarity law. If one law was A plus A naught is equal to 1, the second law is A dot A naught equal to 0. So for the missing variable, replace 0 by the complementarity law. So C dot C naught, here it would be B plus C naught plus A naught, and here it would be C plus A naught plus BB naught. Now apply distributive law. So this will come as A plus B plus C dot A plus B plus C naught. This will come as A plus B plus C naught dot A naught plus B plus C naught. This will come as A plus B plus C dot A plus B naught plus C, and this will come as A naught plus B plus C and dot A naught plus B naught plus C. So these are the 8 terms which will come, 2 from this side, 2 from this side, and 4 from this side. Now you find out the duplicate term. See, this is A plus B plus C, this is A plus B plus C. So you can remove one of the terms. Now this is A plus B plus C naught, A plus B plus C naught. So one of them can be removed. This is A naught plus B plus C naught. Now none of the other terms are being repeated. So the final expression would be A plus B plus C naught dot A naught plus B plus C naught dot A plus B naught plus C dot A naught plus B plus C dot A naught plus B naught plus C. So this is the final canonical POS for this given expression.